Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Before we get started today, please hit that subscribe button, like or share with others. Take it away.
Okay, this week we are doing something a little bit different. We actually have come across some news recently where there's been some porch pirates in the neighborhood. For those of you who aren't familiar with that, those are the people who go around and look in your porch, and if you happen to have a mail delivery that was left on your porch, they come and conveniently, let's say, take it, help themselves. And also there's been some others in our town where they've actually caught some people on camera that were doing some suspicious things in their front door. So it was making us a little bit concerned, and we thought I was going to get one of those cameras that are built onto a doorbell. But we came across something by fluke when we were at Costco. They had floodlights that had a camera in it, and that could video record based on motion detections. And so what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to install it, and not only are we going to show you how to install it onto the building outside, we're also going to show you how to set up the software and do some configuration so you can actually use it. So let's take a look at how we did this.
We selected the Floodlight Security Camera by Feit Electric from Costco. It's so easy, the kit includes some screws and the unit itself.
As always, before starting on this project, be sure to cut the power so you don't electrocute yourself.
So Mr. Poorman wanted a close-up, so he filmed with one hand and worked with the other hand.
Before installing the new floodlight, I had to remove the old one first, and I had to test to make sure that the power was actually off.
The wires are disconnected from the old unit, and the unit is removed from the wall.
To install the new unit, we attach the support bar to the round electrical box.
Now the base plate is screwed into the support bar.
Next, we insert the ground, live, and neutral wires into the appropriate locations on the base plate.
Then we screw the unit onto the base plate. The last step is to use silicone to weatherproof it. And that's it.
Begin by downloading the Feit Electric app and follow instructions to create a new user account. Once completed, open the app. To add a new device, click the plus symbol at the top right corner. Next, select Security and Cameras in the left column. Then click Floodlight Camera. Turn on the floodlight and watch for rapidly blinking lights and listen for a tone. Once this occurs, click the Confirm button. Connect to a Wi-Fi network and click the Next button. This part's really cool. Hold your phone up to the security camera and it will read the QR code, then automate the rest of the installation. Now you have an option to add it to your Amazon Echo, Google Home, or just click Done if you wish. If you wish to change the name of the device, click the pencil mark to the right of the name and you will be able to edit it. And that's it. It really is that simple. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features. Click on the security cam you wish to view. The options on the top row are self-explanatory. You can take a screenshot, you can talk to a person outside by the camera, or you can actually record what's going on. To configure your motion detector, click on the motion icon on the bottom right. On this screen, you determine which angles from the camera you wish to detect motion, as well as set the sensitivity of the motion detector, anywhere from low sensitivity to high sensitivity. Now let's take a look at the features of the light by clicking on the light icon. From here you can select schedules and set times when you want the light to come on or off manually. And of course you can use the power button to turn the light on anytime you want. By clicking on the brightness icon, you will be allowed to set the brightness anywhere from 0 to 100%. If a motion is detected, you will be notified and provided with a screen capture. You can then access the camera and play back the actual video that was recorded. There are more features, but we won't be covering them all at this time. What I will say is we're very happy with the security camera and we do not regret purchasing this at all.
This week's project was very easy to accomplish. We really liked the motion lights, and the extra bonus was the camera. Next week we're going to have a DIY on laser printing and how we use it.
So until then,
Bye-bye.